Hey Vibes fam, welcome back to my channel where good food and some good vibes. It is a must. Welcome back to another video. Okay, today we're going to be making some spicy garlic spam fried rice. And here I have 4 tablespoons of reduced soy sauce. That's in the measuring cup first. Then I added 2 tablespoons of sugar, half tablespoon of toasted sesame oil. So toasted sesame oil, or if it says on the container like nutty or roasted, or but yeah, sesame oil. And then I'm gonna go in with 2 tablespoons of dark soy sauce. Now the reduced soy sauce has less salt in it, right? Soy sauce is very salty, so make sure you don't cook your rice with any salt or anything like that. You have to be careful with the soy sauce, right? So go ahead and mix that up and put that aside. And now I'm adding a little oil to my pot, and then I'm gonna add my spam. So we are gonna get these nice and crispy. So I'm gonna stir it up, and then I'm going to, like, smooth them out, give them a lot of space so they can fry. So occasionally I go in and give it a stir, and then I leave it again so it can get nice and crispy, then stir it again. So this is looking perfect. So push that to the side. Then now I'm going in with my 2 egg. So I broke 2 egg in my container, whisk them up. I added no salt or anything because remember the soy sauce is very salty, right? So go ahead and scramble this, and we're doing everything in this one pot right here. So yeah, go ahead and get your egg nice and scrambled, and then we're gonna push that to the side, and we're gonna add some other stuff to this. Now Vibes from this recipe has a lot of garlic in it. When I tell you, I did like, so this is half an onion and I chopped it up very fine, and that is the garlic. A whole lot of garlic, as it says, spicy garlic spam fried rice, right? So yeah, we're gonna go ahead and saute that. So I'm not really adding no more oil to the pot, right? I'm just trying to use up that nice spam juicy oil right there, push it over in it and get it all mixed up and whatever. Listen, everything is going to combine eventually, so we're not tripping if some of the spam gets in to the mixture. So here I added some bell peppers or sweet peppers, right? And go ahead and mix those up, getting them nice and sauteed, bring out the flavor. So I added green onions and chili. I added red chili and green chili. That's the kick in this fried rice right here. So go ahead and stir that up, and I'm telling you, Vibes Sam, your kitchen is kicking at this point in time. So stir it up, stir up everything, and now we're adding our rice. Ooh, so this is 4 cups of rice, and I used basmati rice. So you can cook your rice from overnight and just put it down, right? And it's nice and cold. And yeah, go ahead and combine everything, stir it up. And now I'm adding the sauce mixture. So yeah, Vibes Sam, look at deliciousness. So pour that all over it, and then we're gonna give it a mix. By the way, when you make the sauce, taste the sauce, right? To see if you need any more sugar or anything, because yeah, you just need to taste. You need to taste as you go along when you're cooking, right? To know what else you need to add. So yeah, go ahead and stir that up. Look how that is looking. So good, Vibes fam. So delicious. So stir that up. And now I'm going in with the green parts of the green onion. So the scallion, what I did, the first part, I added the white part of it. And this is now the green part, right? So yeah, go ahead and mix that up. Yes. And this is it all done. I stir it for about 2 minutes or so. So let's dish it out. Ooh, steam. Look at that juicy steam. Look at that nice steam. Vibes Sam, can you tell that this smells good and it's gonna taste even better? Look at good body fried rice. I am so excited. I want to scream. Oh, yes. Do you want a plate? Comment down below and tell me, do you want a plate? Because I got a plate for you. I got a plate for you. So, yeah, vibes, dish it out and look at it. Ooh, ooh, ooh. And vibes fam, here we have it. Here we have this delicious bowl of spicy garlic spam fried rice. Ooh, go in, zoom in. Look at spam. Look at all the deliciousness. Do you see the egg? Can you see all of the ingredients just bursting out? Ooh, ooh, ooh. And look at it. Look at the spam. Do you see the steam? And do you see the spam at the top looking nice and crispily, deliciously? Ooh, looks so good. Oh, yes. Glory. Hallelujah. So, yeah, you want to go ahead and send this recipe to Auntie Pringles so she can make it for you. Because if you can't make it, you know Auntie Pringles will make this for you. But, yeah, vibes, comment down below and tell me, would you have this by itself or would you need some chicken, some salmon? I had it with some salmon and some chicken too because I'm greedy like that. But yeah, vibes, thank you so much for watching and for hanging out with me. Don't forget to like, please hit the thumbs up button, right? And subscribe and share this recipe with someone and follow me on Instagram. Thank you so much. God bless you.